Introducing Brianna,
Hey, AJ.
Juliana,
Kendrick,
Alex,
and Yusuf and Sebastian, but they couldn't be here today.
They died.
Yeah, they died.
in the chemistry lab.
In the chemistry lab. Chemical reactions, you know.
Okay, we're done.
Hey guys, it's Yusuf, and I'm back.
So we conducted a survey asking 3 grade 7 classes about what they thought about these questions. We used the results and turned it into a wonderful graph.
We conducted a survey about our assignment, windmills and glass roof. Our questions were, do you think the school can benefit from using a glass roof and a windmill for energy? Do you think it's fair you and your parents pay high electricity bills to cushion the cost of energy wanted in our community? Do you think Rockcliffe is wasting too much energy? Will Rockcliffe save money if we had a glass roof and windmill? Do you think the economy will slowly decrease if there is not a cheaper way to conserve energy? The colors on the bars represent the strongly agree, which is green, dark blue is agree, light blue is maybe, orange is disagree, red is strongly disagree.
It seems that everyone seeing from our survey can agree that Rockcliffe is wasting energy. Also, 42 people agree and strongly agree that a glass roof and a windmill will save energy and can help our school.
Conclusion 2. It will be a good idea to have a windmill and a glass roof because it will be a cheaper way to conserve energy and the economy will not decrease. As you can see, 33 people voted strongly agree.
We used the glass roof in our model so that we could use the sun's light instead of electricity. Since tinfoil is a good conductor of heat, we used it as an insulation. The insulation will keep heat in and not out so that when it's cold we will be conserving energy while being kept warm. This also works for when you want to keep cool when it's too hot. This effect is like a thermos. You can keep heat or cold in without letting anything escape. However, of course, sometimes it will rain, snow, or become too sunny, so we also include a convertible roof to block all of that out. But how will we get our light, you may ask? This is where we can use our windmill. Instead of using electricity, we can use the best thing, wind. The wind can power up the lights due to the process of the energy transformation. And if there's not a strong enough wind, we can use the motor to take the windmill spin fast enough to power the lights.
Well, we connected the alligator clips to the motor, which has the windmill connected to the front, and our lights. When the windmill spins fast enough, it will power up our light. What happens is power is generated from the spinning of the windmill and creates energy to power the light. The energy travels through the alligator clips leading up to the light. The energy is being transformed from wind energy to light energy.
This model represents when it is sunny. We can use the sun as our light to light the classrooms. But when it's too sunny, we can put on the convertible roof. The windmill can then power up the lights and light up the classroom. The tinfoil represents insulation. Since tinfoil is a good conductor of heat, it will keep the heat in and not let the heat out. This effect is like a thermos. And now on to Brianna.
This model represents when there's a storm. For example, when it's raining or there's a snow blizzard. We can use our windmill to power up our lights instead of using electricity.
The windmill harnesses the wind to generate energy, but since there's no wind inside our school, we use batteries instead to show how our project works in reality.
By doing this, we can save more energy and money for the school. Based on the graph, a lot of people strongly agree that Rockcliffe Middle School is wasting too much energy. Instead of using electricity, we use the wind power to generate electricity. If this invention comes into reality, then Rockcliffe can become a more energy efficient school.
At Rockcliffe Middle School,
Plus
a windmill
Plus glass roof.
Equals energy efficient school!
Hey, one more second.
Introducing
How are you feeling, Brianna?
one, go.
Conclusion 2. It will be a good idea to have a windmill and a glass roof because it will be cheaper way to conserve energy and the economy will not decrease.
Introducing
I think that failed.
At least that was a real blooper.
Wait, what? I think that failed.
Hold on.
No, because you guys.
2 minutes.
I think it took